So what do I niche in? I niche in three areas. The first one is I do smaller jobs. I'm very happy to do small jobs. So changing a light fitting, swapping over an old dodgy socket, anything like that. Any kind of maintenance. At the moment, I tend to be changing a lot of outdoor lights, so upgrading those. So anything like that, any kind of maintenance style work where you're not quite sure, you need an electrician to come in. Any of those smaller jobs, you can just give me a call, and I'll be there. I tend to be quite quick because I can fit that in around other work if it's with the smaller kind of jobs. The second thing is consumer units. I change quite a lot of consumer units. You can have a look on my website, and there are quite a few. If you look at the videos section, you'll see lots of upgrades and also some information on the different kind of consumer units you might have, and the consumer units that you can upgrade to, and how an RCD and AFDD works and things like that. All of the latest kind of wiring regulations. And then another thing is bespoke EV stuff. So let's say the EV charges a bit further away, or it's not quite so straightforward. So things like that. So they're the three areas. So smaller jobs, consumer unit upgrades, and bespoke EV. I do other things as well. I'm open to anything really. I do new cooker circuits, new shower circuits, any new circuit, or I'll do minor works. If you have a look again, you can see what a minor works is. So that would be altering a circuit. So adding a new socket somewhere else, not just changing it. So yeah, I do all sorts of things, but the three things I specialise or tend to do a lot of are the smaller jobs, consumer unit upgrades, and bespoke EV stuff. Okay, but I'm open to all. If you have any questions or you'd like to book, have a look at the video just next door, and that will tell you how to make a booking with me, and just guide you through it. It's a very simple process. I look forward to meeting you.